experience. I want to see if I could generate magic internet money by using AI, leveraging it, and then building an app to sell it. I need it to be good. So I need your help in this live stream. We're going to try to build this app. Give me the features that you want. If anything, make your own one if you want. Make your own app, but you're going to see me try to build this thing just solo by myself, no help unless you want to help me into. My name is Aaron. It's a cowboy trying to get some internet monies. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm going to share my screen. What we're going to be using is a app called Lovable, and I'll be building it all via just having AI talk to AI. Literally, that's it. So here we go. I've been awarded 5. There you go. Send 5 messages to Lovable. So if you want to build your own app and use Lovable, you can use my referral code down in the description below. I make no money off it. I just get extra credits so I could build more of my little app here. All right. I had a dummy account. And we're signing in. So it's called Kingdom Keeper. Basically, an app that allows you to manage all of your properties and assets at your property. So one thing has been annoying me, remove the floating add asset button at the bottom of the screen. Okay. So then you see me just like screenshot and put it in there. What's going on, Bear Jags? How are you? Still in the game of crypto, actually pivoting and expanding the game. That's for sure. I think a lot of influencer creators, if you're still in the space, you're getting paid somehow for crypto. I'm in primarily Bitcoin, so I stopped with the whole degen trading, mainly because it took up a lot of time. Couldn't put up with that. My work was demanding more of me. So I work at a church, and it just took up a lot of decision-making process. I got a 3rd baby. I've got a 4th now on the way. So I don't have the same amount of time to get into crypto as I loved, but I'm very much still in the game of crypto. Actually, I've taken out loans. I'm diving in because I think next year is going to be a massive year for cryptocurrency. You've got the new Fed. You've got tailwinds, removing the headwinds of Jerome Powell. The new Fed, the new Fed chair. I think Trump is very pro Bitcoin. I think inflation is really, I haven't really talked about this, but I think that the money printing, I was disillusioned. I thought it would just be on one side, and it turns out to be on both sides. So that's a little bit of I was disillusioned. I don't know what I was thinking. It's on both sides. Both sides of politicians want to print the money, and that's what they're going to do. Bitcoin is the only sovereign piece of land that you could own. So yeah. Dip to the moon. Thank you, man. It's growing big. Yeah, we've got 3. When I hit 3 kids, I posted about my 3rd, and it became a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It became a lot. So that was new 25. So she's like 1.5 now. So that was a lot to handle. When they were babies, it's not that much, but when they get older, yeah, it's start moving and all that stuff. So that took a toll on my workload and energy. So yeah, there's that too. I'm not perfect. I don't make a lot of money. Pennies. I make pennies off of YouTube, and so it just didn't become a priority. My family and my job became a priority, which I love my job, so it's all good. Oh, is it? Look at this, Ethi. It's his birthday. The crypto warden is still in the game apparently, so he's in it. But I do see the need of building a business. I see the need for building a business now, or at least a side like little hustle. I've been building apps now for a few months and literally no coded it. AI. So this is what I want to do. This actually started with building something for my church. I wanted to build like a tracker of things. I had iterations of this, like a inventory management system or something like to deal with lights and all that stuff. And eventually we could make that in here, but it kind of evolved in my brain until the bandit had a conversation with me over lunch talking about he wishes he had an app for his house. So like if I needed one for my house, I could do it the same for uh my work, my church. And my church has like 6 different locations. So we need to manage the assets properly. So like there's other things like roof and insurance and policies. So this is kind of an app to help me track all of that. If I don't sell a single subscription, this will be very helpful for my church. So this is a lot for that. You get good at apps and make an app for watches that allow me to see my, yeah. I think once the government can control the crypto transactions, it'll go mainstream. Once the government can control the crypto, I don't know how they would do that. I don't know how they would control crypto transactions. I could pay you right now as long as you have your wallet, your address. There's zero way. That's the best thing about Bear Jags. That's the best thing about crypto. There's zero way that they can manage the payment for that. They can't do it. Which is why I'm in crypto, because I can't deal with that. Like I already told you at the beginning of this video, both sides are printing money. Both sides are in control. It's not Democrat or Republican. It's government, and it's politicians, and it's people closest to the money. People get the money. This is back to basics. You got to have something that's detached from all of that, and Bitcoin's the only way. I mean, you've got other coins, but Bitcoin's the juggernaut. It's 50% of the market cap. It's not going anywhere. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So, all right, Bird Jags, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for texting. Let's get into it. So I just screenshotted that app or that thing or that access. Now I want to add the activity log to the location and dashboard. Allow me to add more logs that are not attached to an asset, but to the location. For instance, if I wanted to spray for bugs, I want to be able to log that. Or if I, yeah, that sounds right. So my idea here is to build a app that manages different locations that have different assets that manage different tasks. Now, one task can be attached to an asset, but every task has to be attached to a location. And they also have providers that are attached to it too. So it's kind of all of the above. Add location events to context. Yeah, create location activity component, add activity log. Yeah, that sounds about right. Hold on, the family came in, so they just arrived at the house. So I gotta make sure the door is closed because they're probably gonna knock on the door and then yeah. Let's see. I'm live streaming upstairs. All right, let's see here. So we've got, I still don't know what this percent bubble thing would be. Let's see, and I don't like how this is ended. Collapse. I don't like that. I do like the tasks, and I want to be able to manage the tasks. Manage tasks. Assets by the location. Tasks. This should be by the location too. We should have a recent, upcoming tasks, and then like a log. There should probably be a log here. Locations. But maybe this is it. Maybe this is the log. I don't know. Creation log activity component. We got to go location Assets took the largest time. I think that one's done. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't really like how it's formatted right here, but we'll have to edit that. Change every... But how does this come up? Oil change. It should be done by time. Every 5,000. It should be, oh, man. The den. Okay, if I go to locations and I edit this, hold on, locations, edit, the den. Property details. Oh, look at this. 2000, no, 2020. Square footage, 2,000 square foot. Rooms, 3 floors, 2. Let's do that. Let's do 5. Financial ownership. Purchase price, say 300,000. Current market value, let's say 400,000. Provider, yeah, State Farm. Insurance expiration date. Oh, this is cool. Mortgage end date. This one's further out. Oh, see, this is weird. It shrinks. Okay, whatever. Let's just say that's the mortgage end date. Notes, summary, the done. Okay. Okay, oh, here it is. Built 2020. There should be more information here. That'd be cool. All right, let's see. Activity log. Okay. I want to say, let's add an asset. And let's say a vehicle, second vehicle, we'll do dad's car. Old and busted. And then we'll manage at a 2007. Yes. Hold on, everyone. Oh. Okay, we're back. We're back, folks. All right, make. Let's just do an Audi. Chevy. I don't know. F-150. That's Ford. Okay, VIN. I don't know. Mileage. Let's say 60,000. License plate. Registration. Yep. Purchase price, I don't know, 60,000. Purchase date today. Service provider, none. Helpful links. It allows me to go back, but doesn't allow me to go forward. Okay, perfect. Now if I go to the dashboard, there's 3 assets. That's massive. Adjust the assets on the dashboard to scroll. On mobile, use my finger, but on mobile and tablet, on computer use arrows format to be clean and beautiful. Make the asset cards smaller. All right, that's good. Right. Now there's a problem because if I use like replace wood blades, wiper blades every 12 months. Okay, that's done actually. Cabin air filter. What's done by like rotate tires? Like, brake inspection. Oh yeah, carousel for assets. All right, that's pretty good. Now I need $13 tasks. Uh-oh. All right, we're gonna try to change cabin. Now update an asset grid section to the carousel. All right. I guess this is pretty easy. Rotate tires overdue by day. Why don't I like that? I want the log. Activity log. Okay, if I said change cabin air filter, I hit done. This should fill this activity log. Right? Because it would fill the activity log here, replace wiper blades. Yes. Ooh, yeah, that's better. That's much better. That feels good. That feels really good. Let's do this. Oh, that feels bad. That feels really bad. The mobile looks bad. Clean it up so it looks clean and beautiful. Overrun by text or spacing issues. Okay, it's pretty good so far. All right. What's up with this music? Ooh, tennis section looks bad. Where's my header? All right, what do we got here? It's pretty good. Okay, now we should move. Allow me to collapse the assets section on the dashboard. Allow me to show only the most upcoming tasks. Show only the 3 tasks with a feature to view more, and move the activity log above tasks section. Maybe we should remove the assets. I don't know. when an upcoming task is marked done, it should show on the activity log as well. In the tasks tab, I should be able to filter by location, and the tasks should be organized to upcoming and completed. With the ones coming the most closest to the top. There you go. Also create a activity log in the left menu, able to filter by location, and all activity is logged here as well. Make sure it's synced with all assets and tasks and locations with filter needed. That's a big one. I think what's going to happen is a house is going to have too many assets, and we need to adjust. Yep, a house is going to have too many assets, or a location is going to have too many assets. Locations, assets. And it should, when I add an asset, it should be like vehicle, appliance, home system, outdoor, or other. Not just go straight to vehicle. Then there's an idea for a QR code too. Move activity, log up, task completion, logging, task tab, location sections, and new activity log page in sidebar. Yep. I like that. I wonder if I could assign things too. So like if I could create a task and assign it to a user. So like if my wife has it, can you do this please? Like a honey-do list too. Like shop home insurance. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep on cranking away here. I tacked on 30 minutes on here, but it's looking pretty good. We're reorganizing the dashboard. I've redone the locations. You know what I'm saying? Which is good. Assets. Yeah. Tell you what, doing AI coding is tough work, but I think this is the future. We're going to build out something awesome, and I'm glad you're along.